This is Jack the Bounty Hunter on steroids. So what you need for this is you need to pull out Jack the Bounty Hunter, who is the Jack of clubs, and then you need a shuffle deck of cards so you can have the spectator mix these cards as much as they would like. Okay, and now we need a card chosen at random, any card whatsoever. Now this will be the spectator's card, okay? And then from there we just need 10 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, so we have the spectator's card. We have 10 cards in the middle, and then we have Jack the Bounty Hunter. Okay, so what I need you to do is we're going to put your card on top. Now, of course, you need to see what your card is. Otherwise, you won't know if Jack found you or not. Okay. Now, it ends up it's not important whether I see it or not. So I'll go ahead and show it to the camera. Oh, what's the chances? It's the Jack of Hearts. Okay, that was serendipity. Very good. So maybe they're brothers, and one brother's gone evil or something. So Jack the Bounty Hunter is going to find him. Okay, so you put the spectator's card on top. And then Jack the Bounty Hunter goes on the bottom. He goes on the bottom there. Okay, so what we need to do now is we need to just go ahead and we're going to deal the cards into a left and right pile with random stacking decided by the spectator. Okay. Now, you can do as many of these with random stacking as the spectator would like. You truly can. Okay? And so if you want to imagine Jack is running around trying to catch you, the Jack of Hearts, we know, and you guys are crossing paths and slipping past each other, and maybe he catches up to you and then slips away again. Okay? So do as many of these as you would like. Now from there, we can actually deal into 3 piles with random stacking. So if you want to imagine, this is just further toing and froing, trying to escape Jack the Bounty Hunter, moving from one city to another, hiding in every possible location. Okay, so you can do as many of these as you would like. Okay, stacking from right to left or left to right, it doesn't actually matter. And we can even deal into 4 piles. So keep an eye on Jack the Bounty Hunter, and you can stack from left to right or right to left. So you can do as many of those as the spectator calls for. Whoops, sorry. Maybe the spectator will want to stack from right to left now. And believe it or not, from here you can do additional into 3 piles or 2 piles. We could even do in 6 piles if you would like. So 5, 6. Sorry, kind of messy. With random stacking from left to right or right to left, decided by the spectator. I'm getting kind of messy here. But the bounty hunter profession is kind of messy. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to pair cards together. Okay, we're going to pair cards together. And the hope is that Jack the Bounty Hunter has found his target. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're simply going to do what's called a Klondike Shuffle. This is just top and bottom being pulled off as 1. Where's Jack the Bounty? Oh, he's right here. And so after all of that running and chasing and hiding and escaping, was Jack the Bounty Hunter able to find the culprit, who happens to be you, who was chosen by you? And I believe it was the Jack of Hearts. So did Jack the Bounty Hunter find the Jack of Hearts? I believe he did. And he never fails in his job. He will find the bad guy every single time. So this is what I call Jack the Bounty Hunter on steroids.